Hello family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing great. In today's video I'm going to share with you how to make crispy banana chips with guacamole, perfect for evening snacks. Let's get to today's video. So I'm just going to start the video by peeling my bananas. I had 6 medium-sized bananas and they are worth 40 shillings. I'm just going to apply some oil to my hand to prevent the stickiness from the bananas. The bananas that I used are green bananas, and like you can see them, matoke. And then I'm just going to go in with my knife and peel my bananas as shown in the video. So when peeling your bananas, you have to make sure that you have some water close to you. Like me, I have some water in that black basin there that you can slightly see, so that after peeling your bananas, you're going to be putting your bananas inside that water so that they don't turn black. Then I'm just going to wash my bananas 2 times to make sure they're super clean. And then I'm going to go ahead and lay my bananas on my board. Then I'm going to chop them thinly. I'm sorry about that. So you have to make sure that you chop your bananas thinly so that they don't take long to cook. Yeah. Moving on, I'm just going to add some oil to my karai. I'm going to preheat my oil until it's hot. And then I'm going to add my bananas, my chopped bananas as shown in the video. You have to preheat your oil until it's hot so your bananas don't absorb your oil and become soggy. So I'm just going to go in with my spoon right there to make sure that I separate my bananas that are stuck on each other, because I want my bananas to cook evenly and I want them to be crispy. I don't want them to be stuck to each other. That will make some of my bananas raw. I really don't want that. So I'm just going to be patient and fry my bananas until they're super golden brown and with a beautiful color. So I'll leave you to watch me for a bit and I'll be right back. After some time, like you can see right now, I turned off my camera for some time to give my bananas more time to cook and fry well until they're crispy. So right now, like you can see, my bananas are golden brown, and like you can hear the sound when I'm turning them. That means they are ready and they are super crispy. I love this. I love these banana chips, you guys. I'm now just going to go in with my spoon and remove my bananas from the oil as shown in the video. So I let my bananas cool for some time, and then right now I'm just going to add some salt to taste. I'm also going to add some coriander powder to give it taste again, and then I'm going to add some black pepper too to give it a little heat. So if you have kids and you don't want to use the black pepper, you can just remove some of your banana chips and set them aside. I'm then going to go in with my hand and give My chips are really good mix, like you can see, and the sound is so satisfying. I'm just going to set my bananas aside. Moving on, let's go ahead and prepare our guacamole. I already washed my avocado. I used that one medium-sized avocado that you can see. I'm just going to go ahead and wipe it to dry it, and then I'm going to just cut it as shown in the video, and then I'm going to go ahead and scoop my avocado out, and this bad boy was so ripe. Yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and scoop my avocado out as shown in the video as I add it to that silver bowl that I have right there. And then I'm going to go in with my spoon to mash my avocado and to make sure that my avocado doesn't have lumps on it. I don't like my guacamole with lumps on it. So for the mashing, you can use a potato masher or anything else that is in your house to mash your avocado. For me, my avocado was so ripe, so I just used that spoon to mash it as shown in the video. I'm now going to go ahead and add my chopped red onion and some chopped ripe tomato. So for the red onion, I used one medium-sized chopped red onion, and then for the tomatoes I used 2 small tomatoes. So I'm just going to add my tomatoes and onions bit by bit to make sure I don't add excess or little. And for my sake, I just used all my tomatoes and onions. I'm then going to give that a good mix as shown in the video. I'm also going to add some black pepper to give it a little heat. I'm also going to add some cayenne pepper to give it a little heat. For the black pepper, I added a pinch of it, and also I added a pinch of cayenne pepper, and I also added some salt to taste, and then I give this a good mix. Moving on, I'm going to lay some coriander on my board, and then I'm going to quickly chop my coriander as shown in the video, and then I'm going to add some fresh coriander to my guacamole as shown in the video, and then I'm going to give it a good mix. You can use coriander powder instead of fresh coriander, but I recommend you just use fresh coriander. It will give this guacamole a good natural taste. And like you can see right now, our guacamole is ready. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe to my channel. I see you people watch me but you don't want to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.